What is going on? It is about 1:45 right now, and I'm solo tonight. It's this morning, so here to see if we can get us over to the 50 stars. We're sitting at 48 right now. Oh, I just actually checked this real quick, so I don't even know. My windows aren't even set up right, but doesn't matter. Let's get at day 25. T line looks like we're for the extraction. Check it out. See how quickly we can get this done. If you're seeing this, it's because I finished it. Yeah. It is, like I said, it's actually 10 to 2 right now. So if I get interrupted, this will be lost. Yep. Alright, day 25, full of hot air. Position finally reaches the extraction point. Several large hot air balloons drift down to you. Crews quickly start unloading the balloons brought. Any hot air balloon kits, some fuel tanks, fuel heating machine. Fuel heating machine is a new addition to the process. Sorry, it's the last day. We should just read it. Fuel heating machine is a new addition to the process. When this mountain was a volcano, the ambient temperature was more reasonable. Now it's so cold that the fuel won't work at all without being warmed up first. The elves, seemingly in an attempt to make a new machine feel welcome, have already attached a pair of googly eyes and started calling it Bob. To heat the fuel, Bob needs to know the total amount of fuel that will be processed ahead of time so it can correctly calibrate heat output and flow rate. This amount is simply the sum of the fuel requirements of all of the hot air balloons, and those fuel requirements are even listed clearly on the side of each hot air burner. You assume the elves will have no trouble adding up some numbers and are about to go back to figuring out which balloon is yours when you get a tap on the shoulder. Apparently, the fuel requirements use numbers written in a format the elves don't recognize. Predictably, they'd like your help deciphering them. You make a list of all the fuel requirements you're puzzling, but you don't recognize the number format either. For example, 1 equals -0 minus 2. Fortunately, Bob is labeled with support number. Not to be deterred, you call and ask for help. That's right, just supply the fuel amount to the O. For more than one burner, no problem. You just need to add together special numeral analog fuel units. Patent pending. They're way better than normal numbers for... You mentioned that it's quite cold up here and asked if they can skip ahead. Okay, our special number analog fuel units, SNAFU for short, are a sort of like normal numbers. You know how starting on the right, normal numbers have a ones place, a tens place, hundreds place, and so on, where the digit in each place tells you how many that you have? SNAFU works the same way, except it uses powers of 5 instead of 10. Starting from the right, you have the one place 5s, 25s, yeah? That easy. You ask why some of the digits look like dash or equal the digits. You know, I never did ask the engineers why they did that. Instead of using digits 4 through 0, the digits are 2, 1, 0, minus, double minus. Okay. So minus is worth -1. Double minus is worth -2. What? Okay. Because 10 in normal numbers is 2 5s and no 1, snafu, it's written at 2 5s and no. Okay. Since 8 in normal numbers is 2 5s minus 2 1s, written. Okay. You can do it the other direction too. Say you have a number like this, is 2 is whatever. Okay, I see. Here that you're connected via our premium uplink, so I'll transmit our handy snafu brochure to you. If you need anything else, you ask if the fuel will even work in these temperatures. Wait, it's how cold? There's no way the fuel, or any fuel, would work in those conditions. There are only a few places in the... Where did you say you are again? Just then you notice one of the elves pour a few drops from a snowflake-shaped container in fuel tanks. Thank support representative for their time and disconnect the call. Snafu brochure contains a few more examples of decimal numbers and their snafu counterparts. Okay, so 5 minus 2. Cool. This is a little bit confusing, but it's not that bad, I guess. Based on the process, snafu numbers in the above, convert it to whatever. Okay. So the elves are starting to get cold. What snafu number supply to Bob's console? I think we need the sum, right? You can determine decimals. Sorry. In decimal, the sum of the numbers is this. So what snafu number? Okay, let's just do the normal number first, right? Alrighty then. So we go advent code, day 25. Oh my gosh, it's already taken us 3 minutes. The top people won already. This shouldn't take too long though. Famous last words. So we just need something that it does we're gonna do fun snafu to decimal, and this is gonna take it val be a string. Okay. What else doesn't matter? And so we're gonna do for C in V. Actually, we should do it indexed. In Python, it's like enumerate. What can I do? How do I do for indexed? For let's do V dot for each index. Actually, I'll do map indexed. Okay. So, what we want to also do is I'm just gonna say map C car. And so we want to do return, and this is going to be an int, and we're just going to do it on this. We're going to say if it's 2, this is 5, 1 is, wait, I'm actually confused. No, 2 is 2. Right? Yeah, so like this is like 2 5s and 1. Okay, so 2 is 2. 2 is 2, 1 is a 1. 0, is that right? Negative 1, else. Let's do it like -2, else 0. Oop. Do that. Throw runtime. Deck throw runtime exception. Nope. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna val e equals map C, and then for index, what we want to do is this is gonna give us 0 for the like most significant digit, And so we actually do is v dot length. Oh shoot, don't do this again. So it calls value dot length minus index. Okay, so if the length is actually just right, so the rightmost digit is what I'm looking at. It's 1 and this is 0. We actually got to do minus 1 here. Right? Yeah. So this is val exponent, and then we're going to return okay, we actually don't need to do a return. We're going to do math 5 pow is math dot pow. Nice. All right, hit it to that exponent, and then that by v, and we're just gonna get this whole thing to int. All right. Excuse me. All right, there we go. And so now we just gotta change the return type. Cool. So that's fine. Snafu to whatever. And we need the other way. Oh my gosh, this is harder. To snafu. Okay. This is actually going to be in value as int, and this is going to be a string back. All right, and I'm just going to say return value dot to string right now. All right, and then I think this is actually only going to be one part thing. So let's just do lines dot map snafu it dot sum. Yeah. Sum to string. All right. Honestly, it'd probably be just faster for me to. Oh, okay. Bad idea. So let's do too long. Just too big. Oh yeah. Huge. Alright. Let's do this. And let's see what these are. In decimal it sums to this. Ooh. The right number. That is not the right number at all. Alright, so what we're gonna do actually is that's right, to sum these. Alright. So we're just gonna say val value equals, and then value. We're gonna return this, and we're gonna do print it and value. Oh, because I didn't frickin' put the Is that input going up here? Same 122, yeah. Alright, cool. It's important that you kind of run it against like actual numbers. Get which is what we get here. Alright. So we just gotta convert this back. Alright. So we're converting this back. We need to do val or var s equals, and then we're going to return s at the end of this. All right. And so the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the minimum value of 5. About that. Normally I do this from the top, no? All right. So we need to figure out Alright, let's go look at some examples. I don't know why this isn't like popping in my head, right? So if I have this, how do I derive this? It means 2 times 5 to the 1, right? But the highest number that I can actually do is 2 times 5 . Like, I don't think the fact that it ends in 1 tells me. This is kind of tricky. This is kind of tricky. Okay. So I'm gonna say var length equals, and then I'm gonna say 0 to like 100. I don't know. And I'm gonna say first. Oop. I'm gonna say first like this, and then I'm gonna say 2 times it. How do I know that it's? I don't know, it's this one and not something else. I wonder if there's actually a better way to convert from decimal specifically into this format. And I'm kind of focused on this one, right? Like, this is kind of interesting, right? 1, 1, 1. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble with this. So normally what I do is just go up the powers. I wonder if there's a good way to convert from like a clean base 5. I guess they have this count up, so let's check this out. This is probably important. So 1. I wonder if this matters. When they hit 3, it goes to 2 things, right? Okay, so if this is critical, then like, yeah. So when they go to 15, so like 3 times 5, right? Oh wait, Wait, but that's not even the minimum one. It would be 12. So the minimum, the number of digits, right? It's like okay, so I just want to find the number of digits, and it's actually like 5 to that power, but then you gotta subtract like 2 from the rest of it. So it's like math.pow. Okay. And then we got like we got 5, and we got this, right? What if I just say that? Is that cool? Yeah. Okay, we want to say okay, so that's a good comparison, but this is not the full left side, right? So the minimum you can get is val min value equals. We'll do this actually. And then we're gonna say for I in 1 to it, maybe? I'm not actually sure about that. Let's just try this. Value minus equals math. There's gonna be a much better way to do this, right? So this is minus equals to 0.0. We don't need the negative because we're subtracting it, right? And then it minus I double. So at the end of this, we'll do minus 2. Seems right. Seems right. And then I just want to say like print length. Sure. It's kind of just to convince myself that this works at all. So val does value. How do people solve this in 2 minutes? That's insane, dude. Yeah. I don't need to make this that anymore. It has to be a long run. Okay. Let's try this now. Still good. Still good. 6. Okay. That's something, right? So once we know how long it needs to be, we can go and kind of refine that number. So that is how many it has to be. And then what we can do is we can do for I 0 to, I think this needs to be until. Let's actually do length. Do length. I don't know if there's a way to do down to not inclusive. Let's just check this real quick. Kotlin down to exclusive. We're all learning here. Down to step. Yeah, instead of dot dot. Also possible variable numbers. Okay, so they don't have just like a down to. Whatever. So you should do down to 1. Is this even what I want? I don't think so. I think I actually do want it down to 0. And I think I just gotta do it down length. This one. Okay. So what we're gonna say is we're gonna say val remaining value equals value. All right. And then even select this. Oh man. This seems crazy. Okay, I must be missing something. It actually seems pretty hard to pick this number. Okay, so I think there's something here that I'm not picking up on quite. So it's like 1, 2, 3 has 2 digits, right? And then what if actually instead of doing this, what if I just what if we just adjust it? I think this is kind of wonky. Forget this. Okay. So instead of like doing these kind of like weird offsets, what if we just count from like what if we just count from -2 and then do the rest of base 5, right? So it'd be -2, -1, 1. The -2 is 0, right? So yeah. This seems good. Okay. Forget all this. This is kind of stupid. Honestly, forget this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do value -2, right? And then we're gonna do bars. Okay, this part's fine. Let's just, maybe, I don't know. We'll just put it down here. I'm not that confident on it. Okay, so the reason that I'm doing it to -2 is if we pretend it's -2, I think we can do like a native base 5 now, right? Because we start counting up here, and then we get to this, and then get to we're gonna get to 11, 12, right? So 12 is the most that you can get to. 5 times no, this is not going to work, yeah. Because it actually is negative. Like, actually counting backwards. Oh my god, that's so freaking annoying. Really, though? Because your first number can only be 1 or 2, right? And then after that, you count up. You go equals minus 0, 1, 2. But I feel like after that, are you not... Oh, this is so freaking annoying. Okay, what's this? What's that over? Jesus. Okay. Alright. I gotta just go back to what I was doing. I thought I could do something very clever there, but no. Okay. So, the remaining value. So, this is the first number. We got to... Jesus, how do you even do this? This is crazy, actually. Okay, so the first number, you know, either has to be... This might kind of be a trap, actually. You know that it has to be a 1 or a 2. Damn. How do people get this so fast? Alright, instead, you're met with buttons. Input, okay. So, like, this is frustrating because, like, looking at this, maybe it's actually not that bad. Maybe I've been thinking about this all frickin' wrong. Okay, because like this, I can just convert this number. I convert the 10s to a 2. Right? What about it's when it's 3? Like, yeah, it's like this looks like 2 to me. I'm for sure missing something here. Like, can I actually just convert the first number? No. Because, like, this is like 1 pound. And this is somehow like 122. Okay. So how do I pick the numbers? Like, I know that the first number has to be positive, right? But like, assuming okay, so I know how many numbers it is. So let's see. Bar exponent equals I guess this is going... I guess this is the exponent, right? Okay. And so... I just like... Not square root. What do I want to do with this? I want to... What do I get if I divide this by math dot pow 5 oop and oop. Oh no, don't hit that. Divisor. Is that right? Okay, and then what if I just do some like minus equals and I do math how 5 divisor double. Alright, does that work? It's like can't subtract double. Okay. Okay, it thinks it's a double already. Too long. Value. Okay. What if I do... this is wrong, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Okay. What do we get if we do that? They test what the actual fuck you just got printed. Oh, sorry. There's be no swears. If I had a bleeper, we'd bleep that out. What just got printed? I think this for sure is wrong. Five, four, three, two, one. That seems cool. Divisor. You know what though? I think on these we do have to do integer or integer division, right? We have to two int this. Too long. And we're gonna double that back. Okay. This seems maybe right. Not right. Not right at all. Oh my god. What is this? Divisor 7. I think we gotta, I think this is going the wrong way. I think instead of too long this, I think I need to do a ceiling here. Let's do this. Alright. So let's do that. Yeah, let's get some Kotlin math involved. Okay. 2, 8. 8. Dude, what are we doing? 2 minus. Wait, do I even have the right number? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Wait. Print line. Okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Okay, but we're getting the wrong stuff. 2 seems good, though, right? 2. Bam. Okay. I'm not quite doing it right, but okay, what if we just get remaining value, right? Because we want to subtract equals divisor. Okay. So after we've selected it out, and now hopefully it's negative. Is negative. Wait. Let's just get 8, dude. What am I missing here? I feel so very stupid. Oh, this is wrong. This is straight up wrong. This is so stupid. Okay. This should actually be the divisor times math.pow. We just need to put the exponent in here. Yep. Like that. 2 negative. Yes, dude. Okay. We literally just have to convert this. This is amazing. We literally just have to reverse this. So we're gonna say, actually we're just gonna say map, and we're gonna give it an int, and we want it to return a character. It might be a string actually that we want. Where is this? Do this. 2, 1, 0. And yeah, it would be nice if we just had an inverse for this. If we had put in a map, then we would, but no worries. This is fast enough. This is not the part of the solution that's taking all our time. Okay, map. So then here, we're just gonna do this. I got nope too. See that? I thought it wasn't even... Oh god. What did I do wrong here? Wait, why is this negative 3? Is this even the right answer? What am I doing? What am I doing wrong here? Two, -2. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. What's going on? Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on here. It's weird that it would do like 0 and then 4 on the... I guess it's supposed to be -1. Ceiling might not be doing the thing that I want to do. So I want it to round away from 0, actually. Yeah, let's see. Function round away from 0. Like, number is greater than 0. Okay. Alright, that makes sense. And then let's do val divisor equals okay. I guess in Kotlin it's like this. This seems like pretty actually. It should work now, I think. Oh no. This seems actually pretty broke. I'm looking for... Maybe I don't want to round. Go away. Maybe I want to go to floor. One, two, four. That's not what I want. And ceiling is also not what I want. I'm so confused because it's like, it's kind of what I want. Okay, so that's what I wanted. I want 2, -2. But this gives me 2, -3. Yeah, it's so weird. Okay. So... the issue is on this step, right? Let's do a... let's see what we get here. I'm gonna do divisor raw. What if I just round it to the closest integer? Let's do give me what I want. 2, 1. Oh yeah, this looks good, right? 2, 1, -1, 1, -2, 0. Oh man. Alright. Map. That's like way too long. Way too long. Alright, that's the right thing. I think it's just this this one part as well for today. So long thing. Oh my gosh, almost 50 minutes here. Let's check it. Cool. That's it. Only 49 stars to go. You have enough stars to start the blender. There we go. Make a smoothie with all 50 stars and deliver to the reindeer. The sleigh is ready, warmed up by the time they finish eating. Congratulations. You finished the puzzle and advent code. I hope you had as much solving them as I had making them. Love to hear about it. Yeah, we got contact information. Highlighted Easter eggs in the puzzle just in case you missed any. Have your mouse over them. Cool. Well, that is it for Advent Code 2022. Hope you guys had fun tagging along, trying to figure this stuff out. Yeah, this last one really wasn't that hard. It totally was just trying to figure out this bit, right? Like converting back, or sorry, the decimal to snafu. And whatever I ended up with here, this is almost there's definitely an easier way to do this, but this is how I did it. So we just try to figure out the length, and then from that we kind of go backwards. So figuring out the most significant decimal, and then we end up using math.round, I guess works. Yeah, that's actually kind of frustrating because it took us a long time to figure that out. Oop. But using that, and we'll just do that. We're able to decode the number and get back to all of our 50 stars. So that's it for this year of Advent to Code. Probably catch you next year, hopefully a bit faster than we are here. Just to come back actually for a second and read part 2. Hot air balloons quickly carry you to the North Pole. As soon as you land, most of the expedition is escorted directly to the small building attached to the reindeer stables, and that's where we make the smoothie. So, very cool. Advent to Code 2022. We're about 2:45 in the morning right now, which means time for bed. Hope you guys have an awesome Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever holiday you celebrate, or none at all. And thank you for joining. See you next year. Bye.